Okay. I haven't made a video in a little while for my stock stuff. Not going to try to explain everything that happened in the past couple months. Made some mistakes, made some good things, but I have the day off of my normal job, and let's see if there's anything I can find to day trade with today. And just gonna almost treat
Secure
this
your
as like
future
a
at
live session, even though I'm recording it.
dnc.mo.gov/jobs. The Missouri Department of Corrections is an equal opportunity employer.
So we'll just kind of see
Are
what
you ready
happens.
to get back to normal? We are too. This fall, St. Charles Community College is fully
I'm
back
gonna
on campus with
look at
more
my
in-person classes for our students
current positions
and plenty of
and
online options
see
as
if
well.
there's anything
so
I need to
you're
update.
looking to quickly enter the workforce or plan to eventually transfer to a four-year university, it all starts at SCC.
This one's
Enroll now at
October.
stchas.edu/fall21.
Looks like I'm down $5 on that. I might let that one get called away.
Your business is your life, so you deserve a bank
If that
that's
happens,
just as invested in your
I'm
success
okay with that.
as you are. You deserve BOS. Unlike other banks, our people
Some
have
Riot
the
here.
ability to make loan decisions locally. People who live here, who understand
Like
your business is more
I
than a
sold
spreadsheet. It's a part of the community.
some
So
covered
if you're
calls
ready
on
to
that
bank with people who are
above
willing
my
to
cost
bank with you,
basis.
then make the bold move and switch to
Still
BOS
has
today.
a little bit of time.
Bank bold. Member FDIC. All loans
Maybe
subject to credit approval.
15 days or so, 20 days. Yeah, the 3rd. Couple weeks. Oh, 21 days. There we go. Some covered calls on plug. Looks I'm up 42% on that. That one, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put a bid in to kind of buy that one back. Let's create a closing order. So where was I? I had to pause for a minute. Some background music. I was trying to see how much it was coming through the recording. So it looks like I sold this for $1.11. Right now, bid-ask spread's only 3 cents. Mark is 63.5 cents. Last sold 67 cents. And how many open interest? Here we go. Open interest 643. So still decent amount of interest in this. So since I'm buying back, of course I'd like to buy at a lower price. Looks like it's going down a little bit as we speak. Let's look at the chart. Let's fix this chart up a little bit. It's like the daily chart. It's kind of took a bit of a drop today. Oh yeah, pretty significant drop today. Might go ahead and buy my covered calls back and settle some cash secured puts if I have enough capital. do that. It's long-term trend looking like. Let's go back to the daily. For swim. It looks like it's come down, kind of consolidating in this channel for the past, couple months. It's like between here to now, that's like 3 months it's been in here. So a cash secured put could be a good idea right here. So let's do that. Let's buy this back. Last sold at 2 cents. So let's see if I can buy it. 56. People are only bidding 56 for it. So let's see. If I bid 58, outbid them a little bit. Do good till cancel. Yep, there's the bid. 58 cents, that's me. There's my +2. So that's a little misleading, because the price won't necessarily have to come down that far for that to be hit. Basically, theta is going to help me do the job. If the price doesn't hit that low today, that's fine. Monday morning, when the market opens up, more than likely, those prices, theta will eat away more, and I'll be able to buy it at that 58 cents. So that's why I chose good till cancel. I can sit there and eventually I'll buy it back. Have a decent little return. So before I go there, I do want to check and do my cash secured put. I do want to check something on the SPY. Let's check the SPY for the day. SPY's looking interesting today. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So this is a hard area to predict. So, these lines are, I have the VWAP and some other averages here. Almost seems like it's acting as resistance right now. Doesn't want to get above that. Sellers are pushing down, pushing down. Fix my charts up so we can see the volume profile a little bit better. Again. Fingers feeling being stubborn today. Try one more time. There we go. See, I have some long-term trends drawn here. It's been kind of riding this area for a while. Last couple of times it's been up here, it's had a hard time. Hasn't wanted to break through. Kind of topped out, topped out, topped out, topped out. But it's also only fallen those two times. You have to ask yourself, is this the time it finally breaks through? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if you would count that one. It's kind of a midline running in here. So, could have another pullback before getting back up into this area. These are very long-term trends, so 13 minutes. Some data. $100,000 volume, 1 million volume. See, this one's currently active. It's only got 400,000, 500,000. So this up trend, this green bar, may not have a second. Like it's getting pushed down. I feel like that's easier to see. See, these are acting as strong resistance right now.
Film.
Medium coffee, cream, 2 sugars.
It's like losing my virginity, but in my mouth. Forbes declares Free Guy has it all. Woo! Uproariously fun and delightfully charming. I really want to kiss you.
What?
Is that weird? The feel-good movie of the summer. Ryan Reynolds. That's the first time I've ever driven a car before.
I really wish you'd mention that.
Yeah. Free Guy. Rated PG-13. May be inappropriate for children under 13. Now playing only in theaters.
This is Ice-T and Stone Cold Steve Austin, and
we're on a mission to get America to switch to cold water washing with Tide.
it saves you energy.
And that saves you up to $150 a year on your energy bill.
Plus, Tide cleans better in cold than the bargain brand in hot. So what are you waiting for?
Turn to cold because Stone Cold said so.
Turn to cold with Tide.
Energy savings based on average when switching from hot to cold and non-HE machines. Performance based on Tide Power Pods versus leading baking soda packs.
Every time Taco Bell's nacho fries returned, those Mexican spices were drawing something
The open
closer
interest
to the
on
surface.
444.
And once they taste that
That
warm
puts-
nacho cheese sauce, they won't stop till there's nothing left.
Can the Fry Force save the world and the nacho fries we love?
So either we fight together, or we fry alone.
Or will the monsters devour us all? Get your nacho fries today while you can. Now serving at a Taco Bell near you.
Wish it was easier
At participating
to-
U.S. locations for a limited time only.
So you could expand those. I play it for a minute. See what happens. See if it gets pushed back down to this level somewhere. I'm gonna put a sell order in just to kind of see where it falls on the chart and adjust it from there. Let's check the chart. I have to bump that up a little bit. Awfully close. Leave that there for a bit. Go back to plug. Doesn't look like anybody's biting on that 58 cents yet. That's okay. What is a good price to do cash secured put? So it's around $25 right now. So if I was willing to own it at $24 or $23, I don't know if I have quite enough capital to do a cash secured put. Mark is $1. So I could do that. Have a credit of $100. That one got snatched up. That's good. Just made a little bit of money. Crazy pattern today. Kind of looks like a double top. Come back up a little bit. Kind of our range for the morning. How much has happened with that price? I bought a little high. Check the cues.
I needed you an awful lot these last few days.
Relaxing, Gator.
Oh, that's real good.
Those nacho fries returned. Those Mexican spices were drawing something closer to the surface.
And once they taste that warm nacho cheese sauce, they won't stop till there's nothing left.
Can the Fry Force save the world and the nacho fries we love?
So either we fight together, or we fry alone.
Or will the monsters devour us all? Get your nacho fries today while you can. Now serving at a Taco Bell near you. At participating U.S. locations for a limited time only.
Fellas, you can't let her keep doing this. Taking your Old Spice deep hydration with aloe body wash is unacceptable. Time and time again, she's been taking your Old Spice deep hydration. No, you gotta say no. You gotta speak up for yourself. Don't let her use till there's nothing left. No. Check out Old Spice lotion too.
Life is already full of surprises, but your tuition shouldn't be one of them. At University of Phoenix, you can count on fixed, affordable tuition from enrollment to the day you graduate from your program. Learn more at phoenix.edu.
Someone you can rely, who's always on your side. That's why there's Nationwide. That's why there's Nationwide. Nationwide is on your side.
Nationwide Mutual Insurance Company and affiliates, Columbus, Ohio.
Alright, what else do we want to investigate here? Looked at the cues. Looked at the spy. Got a few things going on there. Got a little bit happening with Plug. See what PLTR is doing. Playing in tier. Bought 600 at $23.12. Sold a covered call at $23. The premium I got in exchange for that's going to make up for that 12-cent difference if they get called away. And I also have a covered call for $24. Current price is almost $25. So that's the thing about covered calls. You put a cap on the upside of owning the underlying. But I'm okay with what I've collected in premium. Some Mara covered calls above my cost basis. Let's see if those get called away. See what Fubo's doing. Sold basically a strangle here. Looks like I'm up on the selling of the call side. A little bit down selling that put. Still have 21 days on that. So we'll see where that goes. Got Kanan here. Covered calls. This covered call should be enough to cover my initial investment cost. I've been selling covered calls on this. This was a transfer. That's why it looks like a zero trade price. I transferred from Webull, and I guess they don't transfer the data of what your original purchase price is. So, in my notes I have that my cost basis is $16.17 on that, so if those get called away, it's fine with me. It's above my cost basis. Just looks like I sold my Qs. Just quick. Look at that. Made a little bit of money. See, now this is an interesting area here. Will this act as support, or will it continue to fall? So open today here. Quite possibly the daily low, but it could come back down. We have a downtrend here. Looks like the downtrend's continuing for at least a little while. But the VWAP, this pink line, often acts as support. And I believe, let's see what my studies say. believe 20 is blue. 50. So this is the 50 moving. I mean, we're on the 3-minute chart, so when in doubt, zoom out. See what's going on here. That downtrend hasn't even really started yet. This might come down, push through. From what I've seen, seems like it comes down and pushes through, or there's many times I've seen it come down, hit a level, and just kind of bounce off and move sideways. So, if that moves sideways, you know, it could hit this support, just kind of move sideways for the rest of the day. It is Friday. See what the SPY is doing. Still a little bit down on that SPY put. A lot of times, the SPY and the Q tend to move along in similar fashions. Looks like the SPY may have just stabilized a bit. Oh, well. It's having a hard time with this resistance line. Kind of trapped here in this mid area. $5. Not very good at day trading. So I stick mostly to selling options.
My friends are always complimenting me on my jewelry, but I have to give credit to my husband. Whatever the occasion, he gives me jewelry from Shane Company. For our first wedding anniversary, he got me diamond stud earrings. When we had our baby boy, he gave me a beautiful blue sapphire ring. I wear it every day. He says Shane Company makes gift giving easy, and I like getting something I absolutely love.
Now you have a friend in the jewelry business, Shane Company and ShaneCo.com.
Life is already full of surprises, but your tuition shouldn't be one of them. While education costs rise in the U.S. every year, University of Phoenix is committed to protecting you from rising tuition costs with our tuition guarantee. We lock in your tuition so you can count on fixed, affordable tuition from the moment you enroll to the day you graduate from your program. Learn more at phoenix.edu.
There's never been a better time to switch to Spectrum Mobile. You could save hundreds of dollars on your mobile bill. Plus, there are no added taxes, hidden fees, and no contracts. Click to try the Spectrum Mobile Savings Calculator today. In 3 easy steps, you'll see how much you could save by switching. Spectrum Internet required. Savings may vary. Restrictions apply. Visit spectrummobile.com/save for details.
This level. Might be a good area to buy a call let it pop back up. So let's see what the calls are doing. Call above 368. Got a 3-cent spread here, 4,000 open interest. Mark is 129. People are bidding 127. Last was 132. Plug. See, it says I have day trading power. My available funds. I'm gonna get out of this guy. Like the way he's going. Day trading buying power.
decided to visit Shane Company. We couldn't believe all the unique engagement rings created by their designers. The selection was huge. They had halo styles, vintage looks, floral designs, and more. We even looked at wedding bands. They offered everything from classic to contemporary styles. Our jewelry consultant made it easy for us to find the perfect rings to symbolize our love.
Now you have a friend in the jewelry business. Shane Company and ShaneCo.com.
Life is already full of surprises, but your tuition shouldn't be one of them. At University of Phoenix, you can count on fixed, affordable tuition from enrollment to the day you graduate from your program. Learn more at phoenix.edu.
Summer never tasted so good. Turn up your backyard barbecue with a Bacardi Summer Watermelon Cooler. Made with Bacardi Superior Rum, fresh watermelon juice, and grapefruit soda. Click or tap below to get Bacardi delivered right to your door. Then gather your friends for the ultimate summer cocktail party. Bacardi, do what moves you. Live passionately, drink responsibly. 2021 Bacardi. It's trade dress in the bat device or trademarks of Bacardi and Company Limited.
Someone you can rely, who's always on your side. That's why there's Nationwide. That's why there's Nationwide. Nationwide is on your side.
Nationwide Mutual Insurance Company and Affiliates, Columbus, Ohio.
Well, I think I'm done for the day for this. Check it Monday. Maybe I'll update you guys.